have the Kayam RC. It's the 1816A. In the box comes with instruction manual. It seems like it's upside down in the box, but that's how they packaged it. We have a USB charger. We also have a strap, I guess, to connect to your controller. And then we have a little screwdriver which can be used to open the controller, which just takes 2 AA batteries. Then here is the controller. As you can hear, it clicks. So it doesn't click on the throttle though. And then here is your power button. And that's it. There's no trim, nothing like that. These buttons are useless. But it is 2.4 gigahertz. And now let's take a look at the car. Pretty cool looking little buggy. But here is your power switch and then your trim. You have independent suspension in the front. And then, like all these Kyams and Joules, and even the last one that I had was a MGRC. Let's open this up. These usually come with like a 4.8 volt, 700 milliamp hour NiCad battery. And judging by the look of it, that is what it is. So that's everything that comes in the box. We got to charge this up and then we're ready to run.
So we're going to do a little test run on this Kayam RC. I'm at a spot here. I have some nice packed gravel, and then out there in the road it's really packed. It's almost like macadam. So we're going to run around here, and then down in the woods there is a trail that we run the four-wheeler on. So I'm going to try and run this thing through the woods too and see how well it does on the dirt. That path is also packed down a little bit, so we'll just see how well it does. I don't really expect much. This was only right around $20. So I will leave a link down in the description if you are interested in picking one of these up. But enough talking. Let's turn this on and also turn the controller on. And let's see if it's proportional. It is proportional. It is non-proportional steering. All right, so these little stones do make it bounce around quite a bit, and I'm out of signal already. Okay, or maybe, just maybe, no, the switch is on. I don't know what happened there. So let's take it out here where it's a little smoother. There is a lot less rocks out there. Still bounces around quite a bit. So it goes all right. I mean, it's not too fast. There you see a gravel driveway or whatever. Might be a little too bumpy for it, but it's going pretty good. Now there is a little bit of bumps in the driveway out there. So your best bet would be to run this on the pavement. Yep, we're at the dam again. But let's put this thing down. Oh, that is pretty cool. The trim is right on. I mean, it's a little bit off, but I think it's because it's bouncing that it was drifting to the side. And, well, it's early in the morning, so you're gonna have to deal with my shadow. It does look pretty neat, though. I like the bug body style on it. I can't believe how straight the trim is on this thing. Usually I have to adjust them a couple times before I get it straightened out. Because it's so small, let's run it in the grass here. That's about as far as I'm going. But not only its size, it just doesn't have the power to push through the grass. I think if it had a little more power, even at this size, it would be able to get through the grass a little bit better. You can see the grass really just bogs it down. Kayam RC 1816A, and well, it's a toy. It like doesn't do too well in the dirt. It kind of slows down in the dirt, so stick to hard surfaces and this thing will run pretty good. So thanks for watching. Right over here is a little subscribe button. Go ahead and click that, smack that like button. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.